Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new, kindly consider to subscribe. So today we are going to create a Python clock. It's a digital clock. So in a nutshell, it's a graphical user interface which will display the current time. So in the module that you're going to use, you're going to import the custom Tkinter. If you don't have it, you can simply install it using the pip install custom Tkinter. The next module is the time. We're going to import time. So I've already created a graphical user interface, so I will call it root, and we're going to use the tk.ctk. We're going to call the custom Tkinter function. So, and here is our main loop. So if I run this, you should simply see a graphical user interface like that. So if you have that, we can begin. So the next thing is to give our window a title. So we're going to use the root.title. We're going to give it a title. Let's call it the Python clock. Let's run that. So as you can see, it has a title. So we can continue to create the time function. So we are going to define time. So we are going to create a string. Now we are going to call now the strf time from the time function, and just copy that. Then we are going to add a label. Then the label will update after 1000 milliseconds. And it will be updating the time. So from there we can create now the labels for the clock. So we're going to say the label is equals to tk.ctk label. So the master is the root. The font, I'm going to use the DS Digital font. The font size, I'm going to use 80. Let's add some markets. The text color, I'm going to use green. So that's it. Come on, close the all. So the next thing is to pack the label on the graphical user interface. So label.pack, and we're going to anchor it on the center. Now we're going to call the time function. Yeah, and that's it. You can run it now. Yes, we have a clock here, but something is missing in the font. Yes guys, now we have our digital clock made with Python and the module custom Tkinter. The color you can just modify the way you want. Let's try cyan. As you can see, the color of the clock changes. You can also try magenta. And you can see. So thank you guys for watching the video. Kindly consider to subscribe. like and share to your friends. Thank you and see you next time.